Hello and welcome to e-GMAT. We will solve question number 106 of OG Verbal Second Edition by using e-GMAT three-step process. In the first step, we will understand the meaning of the sentence. In the second, we will evaluate the errors in the sentence, and finally, we will review all the answer choices to get to the correct answer. So let's begin. As well as heat and light, the sun is the source of a continuous stream of atomic particles known as the solar wind. The way the sentence has been written, the logical intended meaning of the sentence is not very clear. So let us first infer the intended meaning of the sentence here. The sentence wants to communicate that the sun is the source of heat as well as light. Apart from heat and light, it is also the source of a continuous stream of atomic particles that is known as solar wind. Now let us evaluate the errors by splitting this sentence into its clauses. Since this sentence has only one subject-verb pair, we have only one clause. The sun is the subject here and the verb is. Now phrase as well as heat and light seems to suggest that along with heat and light, the sun is also the source of solar wind. Now this is absolutely illogical. This modifier error leads to the meaning error also in this sentence. The logical intended meaning of the sentence is that the sun is the source of three things: heat, light, and solar wind. After understanding the logical intended meaning of the sentence, we must select an answer choice that communicates this intended meaning. So let us run the POE to find out which answer choice does that. Well, choice A certainly does not, as we just discussed. Choice B has a similar modified error as in choice A. Besides heat and light also goes to suggest that apart from heat and light, sun is also the source of solar wind, and this is not logical. Choice C is also incorrect because it repeats the same modifier error as in choice B. Let's take a look at choice D now. Well, choice D is the correct answer because it uses the correct sentence structure that the sun is the source of not only heat and light but also solar wind. So choice D correctly uses the idiom not only but also and communicates the logical intended meaning of the sentence. Well, choice C is incorrect because it uses the incorrect idiom not only but as well. The correct idiom is not only but also. So as we found out, choice D is the correct answer for this sentence. This brings us to the takeaway messages. If the original sentence does not communicate the logical intended meaning of the sentence, infer the logical intended meaning of the sentence and then select the answer choice that communicates that particular meaning. Also, modifiers must be worded correctly to communicate the intended meaning of the sentence in the most effective manner. Also, the idioms used in the sentence must be worded correctly. The concepts tested in this sentence have been covered in e-GMAT Concepts Level 1, Correcting Modifier Errors, and Level 1, Idioms Standard Expressions.